Alright, YouTubers, I'm going to show you how I usually do up my plate of rice for a meal. This is about a cup's worth of rice, or a cup's worth uncooked. It's not uncooked, this is cooked, but before it's cooked, it's about a cup's worth, which of course expands, obviously, after it's cooked. I make about 2 cups worth. The extra unused rice, of course, I will put in like a plastic container that used to be for sour cream or whatever. So I save it, wash it out, and then I'll put leftovers in it, throw it in the fridge. And then I don't have to be using the rice cooker every night. I don't eat rice every night, but you know, I might go for like a week or two. I might go have a rice kick, so to speak. And this is 2 fillets of fish, which has been cornmeal battered or whatever with the breading on it. I'll take some seaweed paper and just rip it up in bits. Some of you are like, what the heck is he doing? I won't eat this all done. I know this looks like a lot, but, you know, I'll eat a good bit of it, you know, let it digest and eat the rest. Some of you are like, oh my God, is he going to actually eat that much? Yes. So, anyways, no. That's not the right attitude to have. Anyways, it works, does the job, tastes good, and it's not too bad for you. Brown rice is better for you than white. I did a video showing how to make it. I don't know, I'll make sure I didn't miss anything in what I said. I strain it to get the starch out of it. You know, I drop the rice into a strainer, rinse it out, plop it into the bucket, and say if it's 1 cup of rice, then it would be, for white rice, if it's 1 cup of white rice, then it's 2 cups of water per cup of rice. You know, something like that. And then, after you put it in the cooker, before you turn it on, you leave it set for a half hour so that the rice puffs out a little bit. Then you turn the cooker on. Okay, so now I've added the fish, the seaweed paper. Some dried sesame seeds all over the darn place. Some sunflower seeds. I use old bottles that were used for coffee creamer to store the sunflower seeds and the sesame seeds. So a little bit of that, a little bit of this, a little bit of Choy sweet and sour sauce. Oh boy, I knew this was going to be a bit of a challenge here. There we go. Thank God. Didn't have to go in my toolbox and grab a wrench. So this is the bottle for Kikkoman, but I probably have Choy soy sauce in it. Trying to get this cap off. I always put this thing back on the top after I'm done using it. Maybe help preserve it some. Sometimes you gotta hold these to the light, with the light shining through here, to see that the holes aren't clogged. So make sure that it will come out when you're ready for it. And of course some soy sauce. Okay. And just mix it all in. Oh, and I did add some tartar sauce to the fish as well. know what you're thinking. Oh, he's going to eat all of that? Well, yeah. So, that is a typical meal for me.